Welcome back to another video. I want to do a little trade recap. If you haven't been keeping up with the videos, I recently just got funded on Topstep, and this is actually one of my first trades on the Topstep Express account. So honestly, this was like a chef's kiss. It was like couldn't ask for anything more for first trade on the account. This was about I think it was about 2K in profit. It was honestly just beautiful. So let's clear up the chart and I'll show you exactly what went through my mind and why I wanted to enter this trade and just the backstory behind it. So first we have, of course, NASDAQ and ES. Those are like the two elite pairs in the trading industry. So first we want to mark out. This was, by the way, this was 9:41. So this is like 10 minutes before market open, 11 minutes. So this is honestly so far so nice. It's Nasdaq, ES. We both have buy sell side liquidity. Sorry, everything's looking good. Now what we want to do is we also see a divergence. We see an SMT. So what we want to do is mark out our SMTs with NAS and ES, the indifferences in the market, because as you do know, NAS and ES are supposed to follow each other at all times. The second one stock ends up going up, the other one doesn't make a lower low, there's a problem. Like something's gonna happen in the market. Then we want to pair it with a inversion fair value gap, which we have right here. We had this big, strong move down, swept the liquidity because, as you know, sell side liquidity is pretty much another term for just saying a bunch of people are in the market over here. They're all waiting with their buy orders, their sell stops, their buy stops, so forth. Everyone is over here waiting to either get executed into the market or executed out of the market because they're in the money or they're out of the money. So this is a very big demand zone. And pairing it with an SMT, it's a no-brainer that we're going to shoot right back up. And also with another indication of the strong push down to actually make a gap, it's just another indication that we are going to want to fulfill it and jump back into the zone. So now what we want to do is we take our standard deviation, of course, from the low of the SMT right to the break of the inversion fair value gap. Same thing with NAS, we also see it right here. We have that little inversion gap. So we have our inversion fair value gap right here that we placed with the SMT and the sell side liquidity. Now, if you are new to the video, our take profit is going to be right at this -2. But that's the thing. Right here, we have highs up here, which can also be considered buy side. And we had an extremely strong break through this buy side. So there was indications that we do want to go higher. So there was a possibility that we ended up dropping right back down as we usually do with a -2 standard deviation or -2.5. But since it was such a strong break, there was a strong indication that we might want to continue up to this -4. So now what we did was we took our long tool right here and we target that -4. And where are we going to put our stop loss? I hope you know. It's right below this SMT low. Because if we were to came down and break this SMT, that means we're going to make a low and a lower low over here, which means the SMT would get discontinued and it wouldn't be a thing. So this was honestly a beautiful trade. I couldn't ask for anything more, especially for the first trade on the funded account. It was beautiful. So if you want more videos like this, stay tuned, leave a like, subscribe. And I'm still new to the trading industry, not trading, sorry, YouTube industry. So let me know how I did. If my speaking is good, you know what I mean. If you enjoyed the video, if it was entertaining. And if you want to see anything, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on it next. Hope you have an amazing day.